Now what we have here is something I made out of an old bicycle rim, a couple of pinwheels, they're called Firkis, and a wind chime. Against the rim you will find a couple of LEDs which are stuck to calculator cell, and they're propped up against matchsticks. And I worked up a very simple mechanism out of cardboard strip which trigger the LED to light up at the slightest of touch, something like this. Yeah, there's another one here and another one up here. Now what you'll find on the rims of the pinwheels are strands of rubber which I cut out of an old rubber tube and stuck it here, so that when the wind moves the pinwheel, it triggers the light to come on, like this. Yeah, and the same here, and the same with the one up there. Now if you look at it as a whole unit, you'll see that while the wind chimes make the noise, the pinwheels spin and trigger the light. I haven't come up with a name for it yet, but this is what it looks like by day, and I'd like to show you what it looks like by night in the wind. Here we go.